Have you ever wondered if a hidden galaxy exists right next to ours? Not millions of light years away, but practically in our cosmic backyard. Astronomers believe that one of the closest galaxies to Earth might actually be hiding within the outer regions of our own galaxy. This mysterious object is known as the Canis Major Dwarf Galaxy, a small but fascinating galaxy that could reveal secrets of how galaxies grow. Today, we are unlocking the mysteries of one of the closest and most debated galaxies in the universe. Unlocking the secrets of the Canis Major Dwarf Galaxy. Have you ever wondered about the mysteries hidden in our universe? Today, we explore one of the most fascinating and lesser-known galaxies discovered by astronomers. The Canis Major Dwarf Galaxy lies about 25,000 light-years from Earth, making it one of the closest galaxies ever discovered. For comparison, our nearest large galactic neighbor, the Andromeda Galaxy, lies about 2.5 million light-years away. This means the Canis Major Dwarf Galaxy is practically next door in cosmic terms. The galaxy lies in the direction of the constellation Canis Major, which is also home to the brightest star in the night sky, Sirius. However, spotting this galaxy is extremely difficult. Why? Because it sits behind dense clouds of stars and cosmic dust within the Milky Way galaxy. For many years, astronomers believed the stars in this region simply belonged to the Milky Way. But eventually, scientists noticed something unusual. A massive cluster of stars moving together as if they belonged to a completely different galaxy. The Canis Major Dwarf Galaxy was officially discovered in 2003. Astronomers, analyzing infrared data from the 2-micron all-sky survey, detected it. These stars had similar motions and characteristics. After detailed analysis, scientists concluded they were not part of the Milky Way. Instead, they were remnants of a dwarf galaxy orbiting our own. This discovery changed how astronomers view the structure of our galaxy. Although it is small compared to large galaxies, the Canis Major Dwarf Galaxy still contains billions of stars. Most are older red giant stars. These aging stars give the galaxy a reddish glow when observed through powerful telescopes. Unlike spiral galaxies with well-defined arms, this dwarf galaxy has a loose and irregular structure. Its stars appear scattered and stretched due to gravitational forces from the Milky Way. The structure is very different from our own. While the Milky Way has beautiful spiral arms, this dwarf galaxy is much less organized. Scientists believe the galaxy contains dark matter, the mysterious invisible substance that makes up most of the universe's mass. Although we cannot see dark matter directly, its gravitational effects influence how galaxies move and evolve. The most dramatic part of this story is what is happening right now. The powerful gravity of the Milky Way is tearing it apart. Over billions of years, tidal forces stretch its stars into long streams. These streams may have formed the Monoceros Ring. This massive ring of stars wraps around our galaxy like a cosmic ribbon. It may be the leftover debris of this disappearing galaxy. Inside the galaxy, astronomers have detected supernova remnants. These are the remains of massive stars that exploded at the end of their lives. Studying these stellar explosions helps scientists understand how stars are born, evolve, and die. Supernova also play a crucial role in spreading heavy elements like iron, gold, and oxygen throughout the universe. Interestingly, not all astronomers agree that the Canis Major Dwarf Galaxy is truly a separate galaxy. Some researchers believe the star cluster might simply be a distortion or ripple in the Milky Way's disk. New data from missions like the Gaia Space Observatory are helping scientists study the movement of stars in incredible detail. Large galaxies grow by absorbing smaller galaxies over billions of years. Our Milky Way was built through countless cosmic mergers. The Canis Major Dwarf Galaxy may be one of the closest to Earth, yet it remained hidden until just a few decades ago. If you enjoy exploring galaxies and cosmic mysteries, subscribe to Celestial Voyager and join our journey. The next discovery might be closer than we think.